Welcome back. Let's start doodling. Today we're going to draw a lion. So grab a pencil and a piece of paper and let's doodle. Okay, starting right about here on the page, we're going to draw a big circle shape, but we're not going to finish it off. So start here and curve the line down like this. It's kind of like an oval. Nice and slow. Right in the center of your page. And curve it back up like this. But remember not to close it off. We're going to stop right up here and stop. So leave it open. This is the lion's head shape. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time. Okay, now we're going to draw one of the ears. Starting right here, it's going to be a circle shape up like this, and then connect it back down to the head. The same thing, but smaller inside like that. Now let's do the same on the other side. A curving circle line up like this, connected to the head. So, up and over. And like the other side, let's draw a smaller circle that's connected like this. Up and over. These are the ears. Now we're going to draw the mane of the lion, the fur around the head. So right here, a line curved down and hook it up like that. And now a smaller one here. Kind of like a triangle shape, down and up. And leave it open like this. And now right up from this point, a little bit, right about here, about an inch or two up, we're going to start drawing the mane, the furry lion mane around. So up and then hook the line back. And now a curved line here and hook it back. Like this. And then another one. And we're going to continue this all the way around to the bottom of the head. And now another one here. And another one here. Keep going. This is a furry lion. And another one here. And one here. And now this last one, we're going to stop the line right here. Just a little line like that. Great. Okay, now let's go back up to the top where we started the mane and do the other side. So now a hooking line like this going this way. Up and around. And now another one, starting here. And another one. Starting here, another fur line, and hook it back around. You're doing great. Okay, let's finish off this mane. A curve line and a hook. And now a little bit smaller one. And we'll connect these two. Okay, look at that furry lion head. It looks great. Okay, now let's draw the nose right about here inside the head shape, almost in the middle, but just a little bit further down. We're gonna draw the nose like this. It's kind of like a curved triangle shape. And let's color that in black. Now let's draw the muzzle and the mouth line. Down like this, it's just a curving line up, and then one on the other side, like that. Up and over. Great. Okay, let's draw the eyes now. We're gonna draw a circle right about here on the head. Starting here, just a circle down and up. And let's do one on the other side. Circle like this. Now let's draw the little highlights inside the eye. So it's a smaller circle inside that circle. And the same on the other side. Now let's color in the black. That looks great. Nice work. Let's draw the eyebrows, just a little curved line above the eye here. And the same on the other side. Now, the whiskers. We're gonna do 3 lines coming off the side of the head. One here, starting here. One here. And the third one down here. Okay, now the same on the other side. Starting here, a curved line out. And another one here. And the final one here. Okay, now it's time to draw the body down below the head. So starting right here on the main line, we're going to draw a curved line down. And now a big C-shaped line over here. And then connected to that, another curved line like this. This is the side of the lion and its leg. Now let's do the same on the other side. Starting here, 3 curved lines. One down like this, and now a bigger curved line like this. And now another curved line like this. Okay, starting here, we're going to do the front foot. So it's a curved line that wraps around under, and we stop. And now we're going to draw the leg to that foot up like this. Now the other side of the leg, up like this. And a little tiny line in the middle here. And let's draw the other front foot, starting here, curving around, like this. And now the leg line up from here. And the other side of the leg line here. Okay, now we're going to draw some body lines, starting here, where the foot meets the leg, a little curved line, but don't connect it. And same on the other side. Don't connect it to the body. That looks great. Okay, now to draw the toes. 1 toe, 2 toe, 3 toe, 4-toe, 5-toe, 6-toe, 7-toe, 8-toe. That's a lot of toes. All right, now for the lion's tail. A line curved up like this off of the foot, and now another line that's kind of parallel to that, up, curving up here, like this. And now the fur at the end, starting here, we're going to draw a curved line up and hook it down like that. And now a curved line up to a point. We're going to stop and then bring it back down. And now let's finish it off here. Up and around. Nice work! That looks fantastic! Wow! Your drawing is looking great! Now, let's add some color to it. Grab some markers, colored pencils, or crayons, and let's color it. I'm gonna color my lion yellow, but you can color your lion any color you want. Don't forget to sign your doodle. I hope you had fun drawing with me today. And don't forget, there are no mistakes, just doodles. I'll see you in the next video.